Good morning everyone, this is week 4 of my weekly vlog series, An Exercise Physiologist Who Doesn't Exercise. This week is going to be a quick update with some good news and some bad news. So, good news. Discipline has kicked in. I'm exercising regularly, I'm at the gym every 2 days. I'm trying to increase my walks and my cardiovascular exercise. My nutrition, I've been on top of. My lunches that I prep on the weekends are really full of vegetables, good wholesome meals. So that's the good news. The bad news, however, is I still succumb to emotional eating. I am basically find myself bored at times at home, where I'll then sit on the couch, watch some Netflix and indulge in sweets, ice creams, or just stuff my face with like leftovers or just small things, right? But they add up very quickly. On top of that bad news, nothing's changed in terms of my weight, so I'm still kind of where I was 4 weeks ago, even though habit has kicked in and I'm exercising more. You know, my breakfast and lunch is better, my dinners are good. It's the snacking that seems to be taking its toll on me. On other good news though, I got a blood test and all is well. My glucose is fine, my fats are okay, and yeah, so from a health standpoint, I'm pretty good, but time is not on my side. Things are taking a little bit too long. So I think I mentioned last week that I get caught up in the numbers, you know, where I'll worry about reps and sets and how intense I should do my exercise. And I think that's what's going to change this week. I'm going to get back into the numbers. I'm definitely going to try to aim for some smaller targets, small achievable goals every other day. And even if it's just things like aiming for 60 minutes of exercise, not worrying about, do I do weights, do I do cardio? Look at the intensity of my exercise. How hard am I working from a simple scale of 1 to 10, right? Because at the moment, the habit is there, but I'm not pushing too hard. I just go to the gym, I do my 30-40 minutes of exercise, I kind of do a run of the machines and some weights that I know, but that's not what I need. I need to push and work that little bit harder. So motivation is building, but it would have been more beneficial if I had actually achieved something. But I have achieved something. I can't look at this and like think it's a failure. I'm back to the gym. You know, my team around me is supporting me. My friends and family know that I'm doing these vlogs and I'm pushing myself in that regard. So there's definitely some benefits. And I think that's my tip for you guys this week as well, is talk to your friends and family. If you're thinking of exercising and doing something for your health, let them know, because support around you is just as important as finding that motivation inside yourself. So guys, quick update. As I said, it comes with the good, it comes with the bad, but I'm still on track and I'm still committed to doing these videos. So please let me know if there's anything you want answered, any questions or things that you're struggling with yourself that you want my advice on, or at least maybe even just my thoughts. I'm not this knowledgeable guy, but I think if we do this together, we can definitely get somewhere. So guys, thank you so much. Quick week 4 update. I'll see you next week. But as always, take care and I'll see you next time.